all dolled up for the party?
Well, I'm really sorry, sweetie, but you can't go after all. You know why? Well, I'm sure you don't. See, Susan, you seem to forget that in this house there's only one law. That's God's law. And in God's law, little girls don't go to parties. Little girls shouldn't look at other little boys. So you can't go. You make God angry. And when God gets angry, you must be punished. So take off those stupid clothes, because you're staying home.
But why, Mommy? I thought you said you were going to take me.
Because I said so. And it's no, no, no.
I'm sorry.
Cry, cry all night long. I said, cry, cry, baby, cry, cry all night long. When you get up in the morning on pork chop, gonna be gone. When I'm not,
you okay, baby? You've been asleep for some time now.
I ain't coming back home.
And what about your wicked mom?
You know, baby, even on the happiest day of my life, she still manages to ruin my day. She always makes me feel so guilty, you know?
I wasn't going to say anything, but when we get back, my parents are setting up a surprise reception for you and me.
Really?
Yeah. And you know what else? They said you couldn't marry a more handsome man in the whole world.
Oh, baby, now I know you're full of crap. You're not that handsome, you know?
Yes, I am. You didn't marry me for my money, that's for sure.
Yeah, that's true.
Hey, I don't think you got poor saps were waiting over there. What do you say we pick them up?
Of course not. Sweetheart, don't be crazy.
Come on, let's just see where he's headed.
Alex, I'm not playing like that, okay? Alex, I'm not playing with you. Oh my God, what are you doing? Look at him. He thinks we're stopping for him. Alex, stop it.
Watch this, watch this.
Oh my God. Oh my God, Alex. I can't believe you just did that. Look at him. He's just standing there staring at us. You really need to stop.
You want me to stop? I'll stop.
Yes, I want you to.
I'm stopping.
Alex, what are you doing? Oh my God, Alex!
What? Jeez.
He thinks we're gonna stop for him again. Alex, stop it! Please go. You're freaking me out here.
I'm sorry. I'm sure you are, baby. Baby, I'm sorry. Give me a kiss. Come on, give me a kiss. Come on, a little kiss, a little besito. Come on.
And you'll stop. Oh my God, watch the road, Alex.
What the hell? Where did this come from?
Alex, I just sounded good time.
What?
I just sounded good time. Alex, get back inside. Alex, let's just go. Get back in the car.
Get in the car! Pull the keys.
I don't have the keys.
The keys.
You
What
have the
goddamn
keys. I don't
keys?
have the keys.
Jesus Christ!
You know, baby, even on the happiest day of my life, she still manages to ruin my day.